Okay, I've got these Firtstnow screen protectors for the Galaxy S25, the 6.2 inch version. I'm going to show you how to install these. It's pretty easy, but it's worth having a watch. I'll also tell you about the lens protectors and why you may not choose to install them, so make sure you stick around for that. So let's get going. So first, make sure you've got your S25 ready to go. So this is a 3-pack, as you know. So here are the screen protectors. 3 of them obviously, and also 3 sets of the lens protectors. We'll get to them in a bit. And it is fairly foolproof because it gives you a set of wipes which are numbered, and you use them in the order of the numbers, obviously. So first, use the wet wipe. Okay, so let's do that. So make sure your phone is off before you start this process. Okay. Right, make sure you just give it a gentle but thorough clean. And obviously if you don't do this, the bond between the screen protector and the phone may not be perfect. We'll move on now to number 2, which is the dry wipe. Okay, again, nice and gentle. Just remove any moisture, any bits of lint, any bits of dust that are still hanging around. And then the final thing is a little dust absorber. Okay, that's the final step of the cleaning. There we go. This is actually just a bit of it's just a sticker. So just go around, have a close look, rather than just doing it blindly. Do see if there are any things you can see. I'm pretty happy with that. Okay, so we are ready for showtime with the screen protector itself. So it's nicely labelled. This shows you that it's the back, okay? And there's a little notch here. You've got to make sure that lines up with the front camera on the phone, which is down here, okay? So we're going to take off the adhesive. I've got a bit of dust there. Make sure that's on the back here. And then just be really, really careful at this point. Make sure it's lining up and it's square. You're kind of going to get one shot at this. And then from the middle, sort of press outwards. There we go. One thing to bear in mind, if you've set up the phone for fingerprint sign-in, then you will need to re-scan that because it's going to change the sensitivity of that. All right, so there we have it. That is done. As long as you take your time, use a bit of patience, that is absolutely fine. Now, the next step would be the lens protectors. Okay, so here they are. It's a similar process. You'd clean it exactly the same way, line them up, and obviously just take a lot of care. Now, I am actually going to choose not to install them myself. It doesn't matter what kind of camera you've got, as soon as you add an extra layer to it, you potentially slightly compromise the image quality. So I'm pretty keen on my photos and videos to make sure, so it's just a personal choice. I'd rather not interfere with the quality of my photos at all, but if you want to be extra sort of safe, better safe than sorry, then yeah, feel free to go and install these. It's exactly the same process. You've just got to be really careful lining the things up to make sure you don't have any mishaps. All right, so yeah, all in all, this came highly recommended, and I'm very happy to recommend it. So yeah, go and grab it and make sure you take your time when you install it.